As Ideoli continues to expand internationally, we're developing our footprint in Asia. We'd like to introduce you to our newest senior project manager. Mark is responsible for dozens of support staff employed through Ideoli's global network.
I'm responsible for all the production for Ideoli in this side of the world.
With team members like Mark, we are able to better support our global partners and employees.
I think that this team is with passion, and we work very hard. We work closely with each other.
With operations and clients around the globe, it's important to have people that represent our brand, believe in our vision, and contribute to the overall fun of the company. Wonder where the team will expand to next?